Hello everyone, I am Dionne and I teach you Spanish. I know, long time no see, but I'm back. Okay, today I am teaching you the phrase, can we go now? Kind of almost whisper it, like, can we go now? 2 words, nos vamos, nos vamos. Or, I mean, you don't have to be like, can we go now? It can be, should we go? Nos vamos, just trying to usher people out like, hey, let's go. Let's get out of here. So this is very useful, especially when you're the only ones that speak Spanish and you kind of don't want to say, okay, I'm done, I want to go home. You can very quietly say, nos vamos, nos vamos. It's very useful. Nos vamos. Got it? Okay, make sure and practice. Teach it to your kids so they can. These are the phrases that are fun for your kids that they can use. Like, hey, if you ever, like, you want to leave and you want to tell me, instead of saying, can we go home now? You can say, nos vamos, very quietly and discreetly. They can say that. So it's fun for you and the kids. Practice and see you here on our next video. Bye, nos vemos.